Apple Law. We are a claim-based law firm, and we specialize in estate planning, business law, real estate closings, and also sports law. So Josh is actually a certified NFL agent, so it's pretty cool that we can do sports law as well.
You have a lot of NFL clients, can I ask that?
You know, I think he has like 7. Yeah. What's the
Big
Josh?
breeds?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay. Okay, so this is my family. This is my son, Campbell. He is 4, and he is my whole world. Might have a problem, obsessed with him. No, he just brings so much joy to my life. He's silly and so smart and a little bit mischievous, but he definitely, all the things I do are for him. But this is our dog Bosa, and they're just the best little pals, and I'm really grateful that they have each other. So yeah. So fun fact, I'm actually a wedding planner. My business is Campbell & Co., named after my son. I've been doing events for a long time, but yeah, so nights and weekends I'm working with my brides. And these are just a couple from last year, but I love being able to walk along them and their planning and then bring their vision to life. So I'm very grateful that I'm able to continue to pursue that on nights and weekends. But for the real reason we're here at the law, so before I really dive in, just full disclosure, I am not an attorney. I am not a paralegal. I'm not giving you legal advice today. I'm just talking. Okay, so this is our office. It's at the Dr. Watson Inn and Flowers. If you haven't been by, we'd love for you to stop in. It's a gorgeous space. We're really feel fortunate to be there. But we're also looking to collaborate with other business owners. If you are looking to host an event there, or just get some exposure for your business by hosting something, we'd love to help you in any way we can. So if you're in the area, feel free to stop in and check it out, say hi, or if you're interested in utilizing that space for your business, just let us know. We'd be happy to talk to you about that. Okay, so business planning. So we can do anything from starting a business to selling, dissolving a business, and everything in between. So if you're looking to start a business, we can make it really easy for you. We can even be your registered address, so your home address is not out there to the world. And then, of course, agreements. We can do really just about any agreement that you'd like, whether it's us drafting them or reviewing them, we can help you with that. A lot of clients come in for operating agreements, so if you're in business with anyone, you really should have an operating agreement in place, especially while you both are agreeing to things. It'd be good to get that lined up. We do not do any sort of litigation, and so we want to make sure that you have good concrete agreements to keep you out of the court system. But yeah, so if you have any agreements that you need done, we can help you with those. Okay, so the real reason what we're talking about is estate planning. So we really feel you need these documents, which is financial power of attorney, healthcare power of attorney, and your last will and testament. So your financial and healthcare power of attorneys, those are for more while you're living, and then the last will and testament, that's going to protect you once you've passed. So financial power of attorney, this is going to be when, if for some reason you are unable to make decisions that revolve around your finances, paying your bills, managing your affairs and assets and accounts. This document, whoever you appoint to do that, would be able to make those decisions on your behalf. The healthcare power of attorney, with the healthcare power of attorney, you are always able to make your own healthcare decisions as long as you are capable. In the event that you are not, this document is going to allow whoever you appoint to carry out your wishes for your healthcare. Also, part of this document is the living will and advanced medical directives. So this is for truly kind of end-of-life situations, and where how you want your life prolonged, withheld, withdrawn, or left up to the discretion of your healthcare power of attorney. So, and then your will, this is for once you've passed. Having that will set up is going to make sure that your wishes and the things that you've worked hard for are protected. So it's really important to get these documents done while you are capable, because at any point, if you are not, or dementia, we cannot do these documents for you. So, and a lot of times people will come and say, well, how many assets do I need to have a will? Or to have that drawn up, and it's not about how many assets you have, because everyone in this room, we all have worked really, really hard and want to protect things, whether it's our children or our properties, accounts, anything like that. And by having a will in place, we can protect that for you and give you some peace of mind and make sure that your wishes are carried out. Okay, so sometimes we'll have people say, well, I want a will so I can avoid probate. Well, that's incorrect. Probate is the administration of your will. So if you were looking to skip probate, then that's when we talk to you about trust. There's several different names for trust, but it really boils down to two types: irrevocable and revocable. So irrevocable, this is going to be more to protect against estate tax, or if you're approaching that senior living age, and you kind of want to protect your assets from Medicaid, that's where irrevocable will come into play. They're more expensive than revocable, and they're not as flexible. So a lot of our clients are looking at the revocable trust. Again, revocable, they're more affordable, they're flexible, it's going to keep you out of probate, potentially shield off creditors. So differences between wills and trusts. So you might think, well, what is probate? Why would I want to avoid it? The trust would help you skip that probate, but probate, it can be a year, it can be expensive, you're going to have to hire an attorney. If you don't hire an attorney, it's going to be a lot of legwork for you. So that's kind of a reason why people want that trust, just make it a little bit easier for their loved ones once they've passed. Also with a trust, it's private, whereas the will, it is part of public record. So the trust is only known to the involved parties. But yeah, these are just a couple differences between the two. And yeah, so it's the first of the year, New Year's, right? New Year's resolution. So, getting your estate plans in order and just making sure, thank you. Making sure you're, how you want your assets distributed, guardianship, things like that. We can help you with that. And whether it's just coming in and talking to Josh, if you just have some questions and just would like to be educated, he can help you. Or if you want to move forward, we can definitely help you with that. We make the process super simple, pretty straightforward. And yeah, so we'd love to come see you. And of course, anybody in this room or anybody that you refer us to, we waive that consultation fee. And yeah, that's all I got. Thank you. If there are questions, I will do my best to answer them, but again, I'm not an attorney, so.
I don't really have a question, but I guess I would just like to support what you're saying. And if y'all didn't catch it right at the end, if you come from this group, they waive the consultation fee. Mm-hmm. So if we do not take advantage of that, then shame on us. Mm-hmm. Because it's really important, and I can tell you from the bank side of things, power of attorney is great and really serves a purpose, but once your person passes away, you are no longer power of attorney, you do nothing. You no longer have power to do anything. And so it's really important to talk to Apple Law about how that process is. And we can't talk to each other about it. You can't talk to your neighbors about it, because your situation is your situation only. So let's please, it's a very gracious offer, so please take them up on it.
You're so sweet. Thank you so much.